Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a Sunday reset. So grab your cleaning products, your headphones, whatever you need in order to get this Sunday reset done, and let's go. So if you've been watching any of my previous videos, you guys know I always like to start in the kitchen, and I got these cleaning cloths from Burlington for only $7.99, and they work really well. I just like to wipe down the counters before unloading the dishwasher. I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I'm moved too quick, that's true, I would think it's my affection. Things cold, she's close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too foreign. I know when you see just someone new, they see us too. So after unloading the dishwasher and reloading it back up, I just like to wipe the counters down, the sink, and then also the stovetop, and then we will move on to the dining room area. With this just being a Sunday soft reset, I didn't want to do too much. At this time, I was about 6 months pregnant, so I was only doing what my body would allow. Just listen to your body. Even if you aren't pregnant, whatever your mental capacity and physical capacity can handle, as long as you get something done, girl. Even if it's just one room, that is enough, and you got this.
Hey, Century. There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your style.
I feel like resetting your home on a Sunday really does help your week be very productive, just because I'm the type of person, if my space is a mess, mentally I'm a mess, and it's just really hard to focus or have a successful work week, because on top of all the daunting tasks that you have throughout the week, now you also have to worry about cleaning up. And if you just set aside, even if Sunday's not your reset day, you could do it on whatever day that works for your lifestyle schedule, but just taking one day to just reset your home, in spaces that you know you're going to be using that whole entire week really will set you guys up for a successful week, I promise. For me, if my space is a mess mentally, and when I tell you I'm all over the place, especially with being pregnant, there's just certain things that I don't want to have to worry about. So and it's not even like you have to clean the whole entire house, just certain spaces that you know you're going to be using throughout the whole entire week. So for us, our main spaces are definitely the kitchen, the dining room area, the living room, and this upstairs bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms, but this upstairs bathroom is where we do our morning routines, brushing our teeth, taking a shower. Everyone uses this bathroom as soon as they wake up. So it's just, this bathroom gets dirty so fast, especially with having little boys that are ages 6 and 3. I don't know what it is, girl. And I mentioned this in my last video. They do not know how to aim when they use the bathroom. I don't know what it is, but I had to change my shower curtain because my youngest son that is 3 peed all over the shower curtain. I just don't even know what happened, y'all, but it was a mess. It was disgusting. I could not handle it. So I did change the shower curtain and I got it at Burlington. I literally love Burlington products for their home stuff. They're super cheap and they're really good quality. So, and right here I'm just washing off their toothpaste tube because I don't know, y'all, I don't know, they love to be independent, but I'm also trying to show them that they have to clean up after themselves because it just boys are just nasty. So but they don't have to be, as long as you show them how to be clean. That's something that we are definitely working on at such a young age because they will not be grown men that are disgusting. But yeah, I'm just replacing the shower curtain, cleaning the toilet, the floors, and that would be pretty much it for this video. I know this video was kind of quick, but I still wanted to get it out there just to motivate somebody out there. If you're a little bit in a rut and just really need some motivation, I hope this video helps you. But yeah, so I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. The only thing that's coming beside me at the situation is you waiting and get some more.